Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and we are going to do a reverse stamped image. And can you believe there is only one, actually is it less than 1 week for the new catalog, which means if there's anything in that old catalog that you want, now's the time to do it. Anyways, we're going to be using this Happy Tales. This one is actually in the current catalog, and it is transferring over to the new catalog. So I figured, why not use it? Same with the crushed curry paper. So I'm kind of just using items that are carrying over today. So I have the crushed curry base, and it is cut right in half. So we've got it cut at 5.5. And then when we fold it over, we're just going to get out our bone folder and burnish that down. And that's all we have to do for this base. So we've got that. The bone folder's carrying over. The crushed curry's carrying over. The Stamparatus is going to be carrying over. So we're going to use that. And then, I don't know if I've ever showed you this before, but the silicone craft sheet, we're going to have that as well, and that's carrying over. So I'm going to take that guy out of the bag. We've got our silicone craft sheet ready. Now, this guy comes with 2 of these plates, some of these magnets that we're not going to need, and then 1 of the foam here. So what I'm going to do, since I have 2 Stamparatuses, but you can also just order the foam if you'd like. I'm going to take that additional foam, I'm going to stick it right under here. Then I am going to take my craft sheet and I'm going to stick it right in the corner, and it just stays there. No problem at all. Now there is a little Stampin' Up! Logo here. And so you can put it on the other side, but I would just put it on the side that we're not going to stamp on. And I just love these 2 little dog. Well, it's only 1 little dog, but we're going to make it 2. This 1 little dog, I think he is so cute, but I want him to have a friend because, you know, some of us only have 1 dog, but there are so many that have 2 dogs. And you can make them different colors if you like, but I really think this is just super cute. So we're going to use that one for the time being. And then I've got my paper cut, and this is just Whisper White. I happen to just grab the Whisper White thick. It doesn't matter which one. But I'm going to stick that in the corner. And then I'm going to take this guy and I'm going to kind of put him here. We're going to kind of put him where we think we want him to go on either side, because we're going to want them staring at each other, right? So I think this would be cute right here, and then I will show you how we're going to get him to go the other way. So I'm just going to take this guy down, and it has pushed this guy up really close. So there we go. And then I'm going to move this away. Let's see if I could get this for you. I think there you go. Now, I think I'm going to use some early espresso because my dog, Stanley, he is an early espresso and a white dog. So we're just going to ink this guy up really well. Keep on inking him. We're keeping that in the corner there. And we're going to push that right over. Push that down and get some ink transferred onto that silicone mat. We're going to pull it over, ink it up again, because we want this little guy to be a nice dark color. So we're going to do this again, and as soon as we pop this up, we're going to take that piece of cardstock that we had. We're going to stick it right in the corner there. We're going to push it down, and then I just go ahead and pull that right over and pop it down again. Now there is going to be some ink on this side, but I'm not worried about it at all. So I'm just pushing that down. We're not worried about this side as much as we are the other side. And look at that, we've got a nice little reversed dog there. Now if you didn't like that, if it was maybe not dark enough, which it seems like it is quite dark enough, you can just do it right again, because everything is done in the corner, keeping everything nice, right? So we're going to ink that guy up again, just in case. We're just going to say that we want it a little bit darker. We take this guy back, stick it right in the corner, push it down again, pull this guy over again. And now when I pull this up, we should have a really nice dark little dog there. So now we're going to pull this out. We're going to stick him down. Now that dog, remember last time we had him like this. Now we're going to pull him like this. And at this point we can change colors. Maybe you have a dog that's a lighter color, or maybe your dogs are the exact same dogs, which some do. Especially if they have like little puppies and stuff, they all look the same. So you're just going to take this guy and ink it up. And then you're going to push this one down now. And look at that, we've got our two little dogs there waiting. Is this super adorable and quick and easy? And you guys can make multiple cards. Multiple cards. So now, real quick, I'm going to take this off. And you know, I use the two foams because it brought everything higher. So I liked doing it that way. You can use some foam board underneath. You can use some extra paper just to raise it a little bit. But you're going to need that raise just a little bit. So I'm just going to clean that off with my chamois for right now. And it's going to clean off this guy as well. So you can take that same chamois and you just look at that. It's all clean, ready to go right back in its bag for next time. So we've got that done. And let's go ahead and give these two little guys a base here. And there we go. We're gonna pull this one out and we're gonna give this guy a little collar. Super easy, fun stuff, this two-step stamping. I really like it. So we're just gonna stick that on there. I'm gonna grab my crushed curry. And all you do is you take this and you put it right over its neck. And he's got a collar. And then his buddy will have a collar as well. So now they've both got their collars on, so in case they run away. And now we've got the collar. Let's go ahead and, you know, I don't know, do you think this is a mom and dad, or a mom and child, or just two little doggies who have found each other on the streets? Either way, they're gonna have some little bits of love going on here. I think we're gonna maybe do this guy. And we'll just grab some of this Poppy Parade. It's going to be a nice pretty heart color there. And then we'll just put a heart in between the two of them. How cute is that? clean this off. And then these sayings. Oh, super cute. I'm going to take this little heart off of here. And I think we're going to have a friends forever. We're going to get that crushed curry right back out here. Ink that guy up. And I'm just going to put it right here, friends forever. Now that is a really cute card. Let's just put that right onto the base. And we'll just do it with some, see, you never even know that other little guy is there. And then, just looking around here, got some of these cute little dots just to add a little bit of dimension. I'm just going to pull some of those right off and put, I don't know, maybe just a few here. There we go. How cute is this card? If you like this card and you like this technique, please give me a big thumbs up. I really enjoyed it, and if you want to purchase any of the items that I used today, make sure that you click on the link below. It's Piersanti.stampinup.net. I have it right here. And then if you do buy anything, I invite you to use this code here up until the 31st of May, so you have still a few days left to use this code here, JMJNBU64. You guys, I appreciate your support so much, and I hope you're learning from me, and I'm just trying to learn and have fun with you guys and teach you what I learn. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!